Carrying essentials while using a walker shouldn't be a struggle. Meet the Vive Walker Basket, a simple storage upgrade designed to move with you. Installs quickly and securely on most standard walkers. No tools required. The spacious design keeps everyday items close and easy to access. Designed to stay stable while walking so you can move confidently. Perfect for home use, appointments, errands, and everyday outings. Stay organized on the go with smart built-in storage. 3 front pockets keep essentials easy to reach, while an interior cup holder and 2 inside pockets securely hold drinks, phones, and personal items. So everything you need moves with you. Durable materials and a practical design make it a reliable companion for daily mobility. Everything you need, right where you need it. The Vive Walker Basket. Simple storage that supports your independence.